Wanna see how I crack an egg like a pro? One egg. Like a pro. 1, 2. This is a cheese omelette with the spicy vinegar and sunflower oil. Spin it, don't let it stick to the bottom. Keep the temperature medium, kind of high actually. Look at this. It's an omelette with cheese and spicy vinegar. Vinegar from pickles. Okay, I think we are ready with this one. Now time to try it. It's really fluffy and cheesy. There is the sticky cheese. The spiciness of the chilies together with the vinegar. There's a chili here. It's delicious. It's really fluffy. And with the chili, delicious. Cheesy flavor. All good stuff. With a bit of bread and tomatoes. It's really nice. That's the omelette. With feta cheese and 2 eggs. Spicy vinegar from the pickles and oil. Enjoy.